Welcome. Today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated, and if you wanna turn it off, just hold for a while at home screen of your device and click to Home Settings. After that, tap here on the switcher Show Google App switcher to turn it off, and now we can see that the Google Discover is turned off successfully. And if you wanna turn on again the switcher by the same way, hold it, click to Show Google App switcher, and now we can see that Google Feeds is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.